if you want to change the verb educate into adjective, you must add the at the end of the word educate. Educated means শিক্ষিত. Educated person means শিক্ষিত ব্যক্তি. Mr. Masud Rahman is an educated person. Mr. Masud Rahman, Jana Masud Rahman একজন শিক্ষিত ব্যক্তি. He is an best teacher. Here English is used as adjective. Here English is used as adjective. English adjective হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে. After adjective we must use noun. We must use noun. But here this is verb. This is verb. It is changed into noun. If you want to change the word verb this into noun, you must add at the end of the word suffix here. Suffix here. Here ki? What is here? Yeah, suffix. Teacher. He is an English teacher. Teacher. He like the society. Here subject is he. Here subject is he. Object is the society. But in the middle of the sentence, we must use verb after subject. Verb is used. After subject, verb is used. After subject মানে কি সাবজেক্টের পরে কি ব্যবহৃত হয়? But here light is noun. Light is noun. Light. We say it is light. Above your head. It is light. But if we want to change the word light into verb, you must add suffix and prefix before and after of the root word. Before and after of the root word. Before and after of the root words. Don't worry. I can do. Acha. He liked the society. Society. Yeah, society is the society is object. He is verb. That is after subject we must use verb. But here light is noun. The word light must be changed into verb. If you want to change into verb the word light, you must use suffix and prefix before and after of the root word. Light. That means you at the beginning of the root word you must add here, and at the end of the root word light you must add here. That means enlightened. Enlightened means alokito kora. Enlightened means কি? He light, he enlightened. Acha, keep in mind if the subject is third person singular number, you must add s or yes with the present form of the main verb. That means enlightened এর সাথে কি হবে? আরেকটা সাফিক্স হবে s. He enlightens the society. সে সমাজকে কি করে? He teach. He subject. Here he is subject. This is verb. Us is object. English. তিনি আমাদেরকে কি শিখাবেন? English. Cannot to keep pace with the dash word. যে পৃথিবীর সাথে খাপ খাইয়ে চলার জন্য। তাহলে এখানে here word is noun. We know noun is the name of anything. Noun is the name of কোনো কিছুর নামকে noun. For this reason here word is noun. Word is noun. Before noun we must use adjective. But the word change is verb. Change is verb. If you want to the word change into adjective, we must add ing with the verb sense. That means changing. Changing word. পরিবর্তন. He teach us English. তিনি আমাদেরকে ইংরেজি শিক্ষা দেন to keep pace with the changing word. পরিবর্তন শিক্ষার সাথে তাল মিলিয়ে চলে। Now I ask some question. What is the noun of the word teach? Anyone can tell me? You stand up. What is the noun form of the word teach? Teacher. You stand up. What is the noun form of the word educate? Education. Give a big hand for him. Now I give it. You must discuss with group about some word. I give you 3 words in the board. then you must write in your then you must write, then you must write your paper, write on your paper, educate, decide, don't discuss, carry on your duty, develop. You you write the noun from of the verb educate, decide, develop. You write the adjective form of the word educate, decide, develop. You get 2 minutes. You get 2 minutes. You get 2 minutes. Okay, thank you very much. You all have done your work. I am very grateful to you that you can change the word from the word verb into noun. Now you discuss with one another.